Hello campers. Well, here we are at the Northern Light rebuilding of the floor system and re-cabinetry and powering it up with a generator and all sorts of stuff. Anyways, got the heater in, got the water heater in, finished up all the trusses, as you can see. All the trusses are all done now. I got this little big system here. So these will slide, and, but you can store stuff and it won't poke through the areas. So did some of that with some teak and some 1/4-inch stuff. Anyways, so all the flooring's done, all the trusses are in, and now it's ready to put the plywood on. I've got these drains in here, as you can see right here. These are drains. Another one right here. Oh, I got one right there. Got another one there, and I've got another one there, and there was one at that corner over there. So any water gets in here, they'll be able to come out and not settle there, and we won't have this problem ever again with this camper. So these have been screwed on here and glued. These have been screwed on here and glued. You can tell all this stuff here. Everything's been screwed and literally. So all the stainless steel screws, and so now I'm gonna put the so this part of the structural work is done, and so now I'm going to you can tell all of this is structural here, all this stuff here, and all this. So that's how if you have this kind of problem, then this is the way to do it. All the shear systems to the back, shear systems to the back here, you can tell. So we're here. So I'm standing on top of this, the basement unit. I'm literally over 4 feet, almost 5 feet from the back section, and the actual truck is probably right here where I got my feet. So I don't have a 2-to-1 ratio, but that's okay because I sheared it to the sides. So anyways, let me put the plywood down. I'll show you what the plywood goes, and I'll keep on giving you updates on this. I'm going to put it all on tape one of these days, and it'll be a series. I made the cabinets. I'll show you the cabinets that I made on this side. This side is going to stay the same. This side where I'm pointing at now, it's going to stay the same. I'm going to repair some of the drawer reinforcement. This wasn't done properly. You can tell. Terrible work. So on this side is going to have a bench seat with a roll-out bed. So this side is going to have a bench seat with a roll-out bed, and I'm going to have some two areas where you're going to have swing out little tables, and going to make it to where you have a lot more room in here. You know, you're almost going to have 3.5 feet of room here, maybe 4. Well, yeah, maybe 4, 3.6 at least. So anyways, okay, I'll give you an update. It's a work in progress, and it's taken me a long time to design this and do it properly, but it's going to be worth it. Okay.